Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2000 Honda CR250R two-stroke race bike, but this baby's green sticker. That is right, this thing runs beautifully, full FMF exhaust, brand new tires, new chain, new graphics, new grips. Come on by, make your two-stroke dreams come true for just $37.99. This bike is not going to be here long. Come on by, check it out. This is a cash bike, no financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, this one is not going to be here long. This is the one you've been waiting for.